Hey there guys, today I'll be picking the Masterlock 930. It's kind of a bulky lock. It works. The key for it. It's a little sticky. I haven't used it in a while. I've had it for a long time. You guys gotta bear with me. I've not been picking locks. I've been at work a lot, so you gotta bear with me. Just put it in a vise and lock it up. See if we can open it. I have a similar Master 930. I got this at a little vendor's mall. The guy who had it didn't have a key for it, so I picked it open and I actually rekeyed it with another key I had. So let's see if we can pick this open now. Okay, I got a false set, 3 or 4. Okay, set him. Feels like pin 2 or 1. Might be 1. Yep. Pin 1 set. Pin 2. Okay. Back to pin 1. I must not set him. Yep. And I'm open. If you can see that or not. Lock's open. And that took my third attempt. Now, see if we can get it on camera, or open it up and see what's inside. Adjust my camera. Now it's too far in. We'll go back a little bit. Let's see here. It's a 4-way screwdriver. My big hands are in the way. So there's a 4-way screw holding the cylinder in, or the face plate. You just pop that out, the cylinder falls out, and I had rekeyed this lock before. When I got it, it didn't have security pins, so I put a wafer inside of it so it can't be bypassed. Let's see if I got the keys for it. I don't know if I showed you the key or not, but this is the key for it. I'm going to take the back off of it. I've seen a few videos. Some of the guys have been having problems out of the C-clip. See if I can zoom in a little bit here. Yeah, too much. Anyway, I push on the side, and I just take something sharp and just push on it, and it should pop out, which it's not going to do. I'm going to push it around. I usually push pressure at the bottom of it. You can also just push it over and it's open, or it's just pop it off. Now let's see, plug follower. It's been a while since I've actually opened this lock and seen what's inside of it. Well, I just dumped all the pins out here. If I didn't, then okay. Now, let's see here. There's one. There's two, three, there's four, and there's pin 5. Hope you guys can see that or not. All the pins are there. So let's take out the inner pins. Move some of this stuff out of the way. And it just went in the floor. Okay. I think that was a spool pin. But anyway, here, this is a serrated pin that I put in it. That was in 2. It's another spool pin. That was in 3. Another serrated pin. If you can see that or not, probably can't. It's a serrated pin. And the last one is a spool pin. Let's see if I can find the other one that fell on the floor. Hit my camera. I don't see it, but anyway, guys, that's the Masterlock 930. Thanks for watching. I haven't watched any videos. I've been at work. Usually I leave home for a few days and I stay gone working and come back. So I don't get on the internet much. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and you guys have a good one. Thank you.